Hey friends, today we're going to make a long-range airplane. Begin with an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and fold it in half. Try to make your folds and creases as precise as possible. This will make your plane turn out better and fly farther. Once you've made your crease, open the paper and then fold this corner down and crease along this diagonal. Then open up your paper and do the same thing on the other side. You should see an X creased in your paper. Then turn your paper over and make a horizontal fold at the center of the X. Then open this fold and turn your paper over. Then press at the center point of your creases and fold the sides of the paper in like this. I'll demonstrate that one more time. Notice the two sides come in toward the center, and it creates a triangle. Then fold this half of the triangle over, and then you'll bring this edge into the center. And then crease this edge really well. Then fold this triangle back over and do the same thing on the other side. Now go back to the right side, and we're going to fold this edge down so that this edge is parallel to the outer edge. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side by folding over the two triangle halves and then folding the bottom of the right side under along the center line like this, and then fold that flap to match the flap behind it. Then open up your paper like this, and you'll notice that your paper should have symmetry, which means this side should look the same as this side. Then you'll fold each of the top edges of the triangle into the center. Then I'm going to tuck the bottom flaps under here, like so. It should look like this once it's folded. Then you'll fold your paper in half, bringing the back sides together like this. Then you'll carefully fold down each wing, making sure that the tip of the airplane comes to a nice point. At this point, you could lift up the wings on each side of your plane and it's ready to fly. If you would like to take it a step further though, you can fold the wings up again, and you can fold up these edges on the tops of your wings. This will make your plane fly further and faster. Now just get the wings in position and your plane is ready to fly.